Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ready-made noodles at home. First, gather your basic ingredients, all-purpose flour, water, and a pinch of salt. Combine them in a bowl and knead for about 5 minutes until you have a smooth, elastic dough. This simple process ensures your noodles will have the perfect texture. Next, roll out your dough very thinly, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick, which is crucial for quick cooking. Once your dough is rolled out, lightly dust it with extra flour on both sides. This step is important to prevent the layers from sticking together when you fold it. Carefully fold the dough over itself several times, creating a compact stack. Now, using a sharp knife, slice the folded dough into thin strips. You can make them as wide or as narrow as you prefer, from 1/8 of an inch for delicate noodles to 1/4 of an inch for heartier ones. Now it's time to cook your freshly made noodles. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and add a generous pinch of salt. Carefully drop your noodles into the boiling water. They cook very quickly, usually in just 2 to 3 minutes, depending on their thickness. Once they float to the top and are tender, drain them thoroughly. You can rinse them with cold water if you plan to use them in a cold dish or serve them immediately. Your homemade noodles are now ready to enjoy. Toss them with your favorite sauce, a savory broth, or a simple drizzle of sesame oil and soy sauce. Feel free to customize your dish with fresh vegetables, a protein like chicken or tofu, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs. The possibilities are endless for creating a delicious meal. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below. It's perfect for reading your favorite recipes or anything else, anywhere you go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.